When I first came to CMU Chemical Engineering, the reason why I majored in chemical engineering is to become an engineer for NASA and to work in their space shuttle program. It actually led me to so many more things that I ever could imagine with that degree. My current job is I am a demand planner for Kraft Heinz, so I work in supply chain. And so I switched from a technical type of career path to a more business career path.
I liked the fact that I didn't have to know exactly what I was going to do when I graduated from CMU. I could go into oil and gas and polymers where I work today, or I could go pursue law or medicine. So today I work for Shell Polymers as a tech service engineer. It's everything from serving customers, which is my primary role, really being the technical expert when it comes to the sales process. But also, I've had the opportunity to advise in a variety of different areas from, as I said, procurement, all the way to onboarding of new associates.
I work for a company called Accenture. We're a global consulting, technology, and outsourcing company located all around the world. I'm a managing director out of our Pittsburgh office. I work on several projects at various clients. I'm an account lead for some of our clients, and I also lead our chemicals practice for the Northeast United States. The balance of that time then is also spent with our people, whether that's people that are working on one of my projects, or someone that's part of our office in Pittsburgh, or part of our chemicals practice.
So specifically for my CMU chemical engineering education, I would say that it has made me very versatile. So not only for this job, but it's allowed me over the last 10 years to have a breadth of experience in different jobs, from really technical to, let's say, working for NASA in a summer internship that allowed me to help them optimize some of their process systems and their environmental control life support, to working with Colgate-Palmolive for almost 9 years, developing the future toothpaste, where now with Kraft Heinz, I've utilized all of that knowledge, and CMU Chemical Engineering specifically provided me the opportunity to understand how to solve problems, both easy and hard, but also understanding how a process works and being able to find the bottlenecks and further optimizing them to find the best solution.
The typical response from anyone when you tell them you're a chemical engineer from Carnegie Mellon is wow. And that's pretty cool.
I really love coming back to Carnegie Mellon. I love knowing that I was a part of the program here. It's exciting to still see the professors here that I had when I was a student over 20 years ago.
You learn very young in career while we were at school to work as a team. And that honestly has been something that I didn't realize the impact of that until I went into industry. And once I did, I realized okay, well, it's not just something like a school project, but it actually translates to how you can move through an organization, how you can make your team better when you're a manager.
My name is Elliot Carnival.
My name is Tatiana Imler.
My name is Chris Pacey.
And I am a chemical engineer.